Thank you very much for your interest in our master's program in Computer and Geoscience in Archaeology, and welcome to Germany. Dresden is the capital of the federal state of Saxony and is located approximately 200 kilometers south of the capital Berlin. With a population of just under 600,000, Dresden and its historical sites are a magnetic attraction not only for tourists. With almost 5,000 students, over 40 study programs, and 150 partner universities worldwide, the Dresden University of Applied Sciences is an established, popular, and internationally renowned educational location. My name is Marco Block-Berlitz, and I would like to inform you about the master's program. I have been working as a professor at this university since 2012 and deal with topics in the fields of computer graphics, computer vision, and artificial intelligence. Together with many colleagues, I started developing the master's program in Computer and Geoscience in Archaeology in 2019. Since 2022, I have been able to represent the new degree program as Dean of Studies and am always available to answer questions. Let's start with a brief overview. There are therefore three pillars that serve as the foundation for the degree program. Firstly, we need the basics of computer science and mathematics. Then, aspects of geoinformation are a crucial building block for dealing with measurement techniques in the real and virtual world. The third important building block, which brings the two pillars together in the specific field of application, is archaeology. This provides the necessary basis for the master's program in Computer and Geoscience in Archaeology. Let's move on to the content of the program and a detailed module overview. I have tried to assign a color code to the front of the modules so that it is clear to which pillar the respective module belongs. In the first semester, for example, we start with two blue topics from geoinformation, geodesy and geographic information systems. With introduction in digital archaeology, we have a brown module that lays the foundations in the applied field of archaeology. The two gray modules, Applied Mathematics and Computer Science and Applied Programming in Python, form the introduction to the Computer Science Mathematics pillar. The second semester brings together photogrammetry on the geoinformation side and foundations in data science and engineering and computational archaeology on the other computer science side. With academic research and writing and databases and research data management in archaeology, we again have a concrete application-oriented focus on practical work in an archaeological context. In the third semester, we have three in-depth modules: remote sensing, digital 3D documentations, and reconstructive 3D modeling in archaeology, which prepare us for practical work. Archaeological fieldwork and a project seminar provide a link to practice. Knowledge of a second programming language also equips students to develop their own solutions at any time. The master's thesis is now due in the fourth semester. Here, students will certainly benefit from the numerous research projects and the many national and international partners. There are also a number of elective modules that complement the program. These include German as a foreign language, Studium Integral, Geography, Information Visualization, and Building Information Modeling. You will certainly want to know what requirements you need to fulfill to participate in the master's program. First of all, you need a university degree with a bachelor's or diploma, comparable to one of the subject areas shown here in archaeology or cultural heritage protection. You must also provide proof of your English language skills. You can find all the necessary information and further details on our program website. I hope that you now have a good overview of the master's program we offer. As a graduate of the master's program in Computer and Geoscience in Archaeology, you will have scientific knowledge and practical experience in the field of computer science and spatial information science and their application in archaeology. Furthermore, you will have the abilities to conceive, plan, and oversee digital workflows and data management for the research, monitoring, protection, presentation, and valorisation of the archaeological cultural heritage. The deadline for registration is June 15th. If you find the master's program interesting but cannot participate yourself, please share it with others. You are also welcome to contact me about exchange programs, theses, joint research projects, or documentation campaigns.